Imagine a necklace of emerald islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, a realm where the sea whispers ancient secrets. For over 2,500 years, the Maldives thrived on the crossroads of trade and culture, astride seas linking the Far East, India, Middle East, and East Africa. Yet, its beauty and geopolitical strength attracted more than its admirers. It raised the ire of conquerors too.
In 1558, Portuguese warships darkened the horizon. They seized Mali, the capital, ending centuries of self-rule. For 15 long years, the Sultan's palace flew a foreign flag. But in the northern island of Utimo, a hero arose. Muhammad Thakurufaanu, a warrior poet, ignited the resistance. With stealth and courage, he reclaimed the islands in 1573, freeing his people from oppression. Peace, however, was not permanent. In 1752, Malabari pirates stormed the capital, kidnapping the Sultan. Yet, within months, the nobleman Muligi Hassan Maniku rallied Maldivians to expel the invaders. The spirit of the Maldivians could not be enslaved.
In 1887, the global superpower Britain cast its eyes on the Maldives. Facing internal and external pressures, Sultan Muhammad Muinuddin II signed a treaty. The Maldives became a British protectorate, internally self-governed but surrendering in foreign policy. Britain promised protection in exchange for loyalty. World War II transformed this landscape. The agreement was for Britain to build a strategic air base on the Gun island of Adu Atoll, the southernmost tip of the country. Though foreign boots trod on Gan's shores, the island's soul endured.
Long before these struggles, a profound transformation united the islands. In 1153, King Sri Tribhuwana Aditya embraced Islam, becoming Sultan Muhammad ibn Abdullah. This was no conquest, but a voluntary awakening. Scholars carried the faith across atolls, weaving it into the Maldivian identity. Islam became the bedrock of law, art, and community, a spiritual compass guiding them through rough seas.
On July 26, 1965, in the British High Commission in Colombo, pens recorded history and the agreement for full independence was signed. After 78 years, the protectorate dissolved. The Maldives was fully independent and free. Just months later, the world welcomed this new entrant. The Maldives raised its flag at the United Nations. In 1968, the people chose a republic, and Nasir, the architect of independence, became president.
Today, as the sun shines over 525,000 souls across 1,192 islands, Maldives marks 60 years of sovereignty. From coral mosques to carbon-neutral pledges, the Maldives champions resilience. British cannons are museum relics, Portuguese forts host tourists, but the courage of Thakurufaanu, the wisdom of sultans, and Nasir's vision live on. In this era of rising seas, this gem of a nation faces giants once more. Yet, history whispers, Maldivians never anchor in despair, they sail unchained.